Okay, so it is currently 11:07.
Oh, you're blind.
And
You've been up in a long time.
she's not wrong. And oh my gosh. And so we're going to Landon's friend's house to pick him up.
Oh, we're picking him up? Yeah. Oh.
And then we're going to the beach.
I don't have a phone charger and I'm at 30.
Sucks to suck, man. But yeah, that's currently our date. And Kendra's complaining about how white she is, so she's gonna tan like the whole time, which means she's gonna burn, which is gonna be funny because then I can just slap her and she'll go. Ah!
No, I'm not gonna burn. Haley, you're gonna have to vlog everything. I'm glad I grabbed the GoPro. I'm so dumb. I literally was so like I couldn't get out of bed this morning. I ate quick. I got dressed and then we had to leave, so I completely forgot a charger, and I didn't plug my phone in last night because I fell asleep watching a show.
So basically, she's dumb.
The water over there.
Wait,
It's still pretty clear though.
He's hot.
Hold on, slow down.
Ooh!
He's out the window, but there's stuff over.
So we got back from the beach, and me and Kendra took showers, and now she's cleaning. But yeah, so now we're back, and we're gonna go get pizza soon. And then we're getting her friends to come over here. And then, ooh, this is some bomb. Like, okay. And then we're gonna watch Love, Simon and probably Split.
Some horror movie, yeah. Ooh, I look kind of red.
Dude, I look good. We need to take selfies. Okay, bye.
What'd you do? Well, so when we swam across the lake. Okay, so we laid out and tanned anyway, right? I probably had my legs in the sun for like 15 minutes, probably. And then I was like, hey, let's go swim across the whole lake. And we floated with our, like, floaty thingies. And I had my legs up the whole time, and I got burnt real bad. I've never burned my legs before, and it feels very weird, and it's very painful. It's only the tops, too, which is even weirder. It's just the top of my legs.
Yikes.
Yeah.
That stuff smells so good.
It does. Oh, it does.
I love the smell of that.
It's so nice. We keep ours in the fridge, so it's like extra like nice because it's cold, and I think it's mint or something. Yeah.
Okay. So there's people here now.
Oh, okay. Hi.
My wrist doesn't bend like that.
Why
do you want me to say? Here.
Look at the wrist.
Wow.
I got that. What up?
Get her in softball. You totally could have a total scholarship for softball.
Depressed. Alright, well, we're eating pizza. All these people are here.
Excuse me, I'm not.
Lauren's eating a taco. But we're getting pizza. And we're gonna go watch movies and hang out. Why did everybody get quiet while I'm vlogging? This is really awkward.
I was indicating.
What'd you guys do?
I don't even know what I did. I don't remember actually.
Look at this lady over here.
I know I
Look
did
at her.
something. I just don't
Look at this
remember what
cutie.
it was. Hi.
No, I'm talking about Lauren.
Right. Ooh.
Anyone here?
That was a bad throw. That was a bad throw.
It's not important.
That hurt my hand.
I'm just gonna randomly.
Stop throwing phones. Can you afford to buy a new phone if your phone breaks? Can you live without your phone if your phone breaks?
No, actually.
You better stop throwing your phone.
I would.
So what are you about to do?
Look at a lamp made of salt.
Yeah.
That's the thing, I guess. I
Is
didn't.
it a lamp made of my personality?
Right. Okay then.
The angles.
The angles. It looks dirty, Kendra. Oh, it is salt. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you didn't believe us. Whoa.
I didn't believe you. It's like straight up salt.
Yeah, it's a chunk of salt.
Whose idea was this?
Himalayans.
Look how dirty that looks. I licked it.
Yep.
There's hair on it. Ew. It's not from my tongue. My tongue doesn't have any hair on it. With tongues have hair on them.
So, I think in the last part, we were in the kitchen and stuff. So, we watched Love, Simon. That was a really good movie. I recommend. And then we watched Strangers, I think it's what it's called. I don't know. But that was good. It was a scary movie. And yeah. And then we played Cards Against Humanity. And then we talked for a little bit. And then everyone left. So now we're just chilling, watching Cake Wars. Yeah.
Okay.